This video will show you the whole installation process of S700A Rotary Microtome. This video is divided into 6 parts, includes unpacking, introduction of the main unit and accessories, handwheel install, blade holder assembly install, waste tray install and dummy plug install. Part 1. Unpacking. Before unpacking, check that the anti-tipping symbol on the box has not turned red, and the outer box is not damaged. If the anti-tipping mark turns red, or the outer box is damaged, you should take pictures and contact reward after sales personnel immediately. Remove the top shell of the package during unboxing. After removing the tool holder assembly and accessory box, hold the grooves at the front and rear ends of the main unit by hand and carefully remove it. Part 2. Introduction of the main unit and accessories. Place the main unit on a smooth, level, clean and tidy tabletop. Main unit, blade holder assembly, handwheel assembly, user manual, product list, certificate of conformity, slides, waste tray, dummy plug, dissecting tweezers, Allen wrench, small brush and brush, power cord. Part 3. Handwheel install. Before installing the handwheel, align the notches on the handwheel with the mounting posts on the main unit. When taking out and installing the handwheel, be careful not to bend the shrapnel on the handwheel, in order not to affect the normal use of the machine. Then carefully install the handwheel on the main body. Tighten the handwheel with the matching 5mm Allen wrench. Part 4. Blade holder assembly install. Be careful to loosen the blade holder lower bracket assembly pusher in a counterclockwise direction before installing. Push the bottom groove of the blade holder assembly against the slide rails on the base plate of the mainframe and install it, and turn the pusher in clockwise direction to lock the blade holder. By default, the blade holder is moved to about 25mm from the scale, which can be subsequently adjusted according to the actual situation. Part 5. Waste tray install. Install individually waste trays to the microtome from the front. Part 6. Dummy plug install. If you do not use a foot pedal, you need to install the dummy plug. The dummy plug needs to be installed on the back of the machine, in the corresponding connector and tightened with a screwdriver. For more details and operation, please refer to the RWD personnel. That's all about the S700A Rotary Microtome installation video. Thanks for watching.